Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with SIRA. Visit www.sira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to our fans on the TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Richards Bay 0. I'm Chopper fan. My sister Ikamabanu Pumangu.
Nokubonga from Keteridge.
Ufuna ukuthini my sister?
Ifuna ukuthi uZikhali is the best player, but Orlando Pirates always happy people again.
Yeah. When my sister?
Kilisiwe from Rustenburg. Supporting private. Direct from Leader Village, Rustenburg, Sun City West. Yes, you are the best. Yes. 18 years anniversary. Moses Mabhida. Happy kakhulu supporting my son Pirates. Yeah, nangumremi wasezabahle. Kakhulu nomfukeni.
The Pirates izoyithatha i-Black Label.
Ngamandla. Supporting Pirates. Thank you. Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?